Renal care and high-protein diets. Everyone knows that it is important to have protein in their diets for muscle growth, recovery and maintenance. But did you also know that it is extremely important for people suffering from kidney or renal problems to have the right amount of protein in their diets? Actually, they need a rather large amount. Often, 2 grams of protein is needed daily for each kilogram of the body's ideal weight. Get your protein from non-dietary sources. Many people opt to get much of their protein from non-dietary sources, usually in the form of protein supplements. When you think of protein supplements, you may envision the portrayals of athletes on television, and picture them drinking raw eggs to get protein. Eggs were actually one of the first forms of proteins used regularly by bodybuilders and athletes until protein supplements were created. When you choose to use protein supplements as a part of your renal care program, you have a number of delicious options, from liquid to powdered supplements. Liquid protein supplements. The main ingredients of most liquid protein supplements are amino acids, which often come from whey and casein, as well as other sources. Amino acids are the foundation for protein, and protein is necessary for people with renal conditions. Liquid protein supplements can be found in several different forms. There are the kind that you mix with other drinks, such as shakes and smoothies, and pre-mixed drinks that are portable and can also act as meal replacements for people who are on the go. There are 2 different types of liquid protein shakes, those that are high in fat and carbohydrates, usually used by bodybuilders and others who are looking to bulk up, and others that are lower in fat and carbohydrates. The latter are designed for dietaries and diabetics who are looking to get more protein in their diets without adding fat and calories. Powdered protein supplements. There are a number of uses for protein powders, from delicious shakes and smoothies to using them in your favorite recipes for added protein. If you are looking for a terrific meal replacement, a shake or smoothie made with protein powder will do the trick, and they taste great too. Protein powders are available in different flavors, including chocolate and vanilla for shakes, or fruit punch and berry for smoothies and other fruit drinks. There are also flavorless powdered protein supplements that you can use in many recipes that can be part of your renal care diet plan. Getting the protein you need from your diet. When you are experiencing renal problems, there are a number of changes you can make in your diet to give you the amount of protein you need. Contrary to popular belief, you don't have to limit yourself to bland, boring foods. There are plenty of delicious, healthy foods that are high in protein, and you can easily incorporate them into your diet. Protein in meat, poultry and fish. Lean red meat, white meat, poultry and fish are all excellent sources of protein, as well as a number of other vitamins and nutrients that are essential when it comes to renal care. In fact, these foods are some of the richest sources of protein you can find. For a meal that is high in protein, try something different and enjoy a serving of venison. A 100-gram serving contains 34 grams of protein. Turkey contains 28 grams of protein per 100-gram serving, and lean beef contains 25 grams of protein. A delicious cod fillet is 22 grams of protein per 100-gram serving, and good old tuna in oil contains 26 grams of protein. If you are in a diet that requires you to eat 40 to 60 grams of protein daily, one meal with any of these foods will provide you with half or more of your daily protein requirement. Fruit and vegetable proteins. If you are experiencing renal problems, but are a vegetarian and don't want to eat meat, poultry or fish to get your proteins, there are still some delicious, healthy protein sources available to you. There are plenty of tasty fruits and vegetables that are loaded with protein, especially soybeans. In fact, many protein supplements are made from soy. Fruits. There are many delicious fruits that you can enjoy with meals or as snacks between meals that are very protein-rich. Some of these fruits include bananas, apples, grapes, oranges, pineapples, pears, strawberries, watermelons and tangerines. Vegetables. You can get a lot of the protein you need in a day just by eating a salad containing the following tasty vegetables: beets, broccoli, cauliflower, cucumbers, watercress, lettuce, mushrooms, green peppers, green peas and tomatoes. If you add a little bit of chicken, turkey or tuna, you are more than doubling the amount of protein you will be digesting. Proteins from nuts and seeds. This is another terrific way for vegetarians with renal troubles to get the protein they need in their diets. Nuts are filled with protein, and as long as you are not allergic to nuts, they should be incorporated into your renal care diet. Nuts make great snacks, and they can also be used in many recipes, including cashew chicken. Some tasty, protein-rich nuts are cashews. Remember, these are also fattening, so keep your servings small. Peanuts, pumpkin seeds, almonds and sunflower seeds. Also, hemp seed is a great source of protein and is also full of antioxidants, vitamins and other nutrients. Proteins from grains. There are many delicious meals you can make from grains that are high in protein, and these meals can be vegetarian or with meat included. One of the more popular grains that is quite protein-rich is brown rice, which goes great with many different meats and other foods. Barley is also a high-protein grain that should be a part of your renal care diet, and when added to homemade chicken soup, the amount of protein you get is often as much as doubled. Don't forget about breakfast. Oatmeal is a wonderful source of protein. And because protein is a source of energy for the body, oatmeal is the ideal breakfast food. Other high-protein grains that are great for breakfast include wheat, germ and buckwheat.